I have to say, I stopped walking because I have to say that this somebody here knows what they're doing when it comes to planting new trees and maintaining older trees. I'm not talking about the redwoods, although that's not bad, but it needs mulch around those bases. I'm talking about way over there where you see it's kind of mounding, and that's replicated in these newer trees. They're newer, don't know how new, but they're planted with the proper or almost proper staking. That's for another video. But you know, for landscape architects, I think the most thorough ones are the ones that provide maintenance plans with their design, so that when the design is complete and the owner of the property is managing it, you know, often the facility managers don't know much about landscape, so they're relying on their landscape contractors. And in this case, I don't know vehicle. I don't know if a landscape architect provided management plan or this is a really good landscape contractor, but the notion that they've taken the time to create what's called a tree well, and over here we can even see that the irrigation, I'm guessing that those are probably a type of bubbler on a riser that will essentially flood that well to give the trees more water. And the fact that the turf has been pulled away means that they're encouraging the roots to go deeper rather than shallow. So it looks like these are ginkgos. I think they're off to a great start, although, okay, now I'm seeing another arboriculture issue. This one, its main leader has been cut off right there. So that's not such a great thing, particularly with ginkgos, because they'll just keep branching in the sides so it'll become more shrubby, versus, look at this one. Well, the very, very top has been cut, but it's got a better leader. Maybe that one, although, well, okay, now I'm looking and seeing, oh, that one way over there. I don't know, some challenges with the tree.